Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing the virtual contest for Biweekly Contest 167. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about today's problem. I'm getting my notebook ready for problems, and where's my pencil at? But yeah, hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this contest. Hope everyone's doing okay. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I have been doing okay, but except for when I do the contest live. But today I just kind of had to sleep in anyway. This is my, very tiring day. So yeah. All right, let's get started. Notebook ready, pencil ready. Yeah, let's go. Mm, 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 mm. 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 Technically, this is off by 1, but I think it's fine. It can be 0 anyway. Isn't this just a for loop? I don't get it. So it's at least 2. Well, yeah, it's okay. So at least 2 is the answer. Okay, fine. Why do I write like this today? Oops. 5 5 2. I submit. Okay. Total score. This is a standard binary index tree problem, but it's a little bit annoying to do without a data structure. Well, not binary index tree, binary search tree. Oh, it'll be increasing time, so I guess that makes it slightly easier, actually. Yeah, okay, then that's easy then. recursive. Okay. Is that good enough? So left is going to be the start. So actually we want left -1. Right. And it should always be -1 because of 0, 0. Okay. It goes out of bounds. So we want to get the next number, but I don't know. This feels wonky though. Oh, it will never be in the future, so maybe that's fine. Oh, why did I write that? 98, no. Oh, well, this is definitely not right. How did I get 197? Search for 1. So search for 4. Will never be in the future, so I guess that's yeah, that's what I thought. Why is that wrong? Should be right. Well, I mean. Oh, because it goes to here. So from 1 to 3 goes to the here minus. What am I doing wrong? Why am I bad at this? With binary search. Okay, I think this is. I think it's just this actually. Now I'm less confident, even though it looks okay. All right. Okay. The way I wrote it is awkward, even though it's right. So that's why it feels a little bit weird. All right. How are we doing? People got it very fast. I mean, I don't think they were that hard, but still. All right, let's take a look. I pointed her. I like to wear this hoodie, but it's a little red. Okay, well, Manhattan distance points split endpoints into exactly 2 empty groups, non-empty groups. Minimum partition factor is the minimum Manhattan distance between amount O and of that points that lie in the same group. The partition factor is of a split is the minimum Manhattan distance O and that lies in the same group. And the maximum possible over all valid scripts. Huh? Splits. What am I doing? The words are words. I don't know that I understood it. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna split it such that, so within the split, it is the closest 2 points. Okay, yeah. And you want to maximize it of all splits. 500. I was thinking about binary search. Maybe it's still possible. 500 square is not that big, so then maybe it's partition. The idea being that, okay, you have 1 point. This 1 point has to be at least in one place, and then just do the math for the other, maybe binary search. Okay, let's. Okay, because basically it's the minimum, so we'll be binary searching. We're binary searching on the first point, and is that for each point we look at all the other points, it's n squared for each binary search. Okay, yeah, no, that should be fine. Okay, so if this is good, we want to try a bigger number, right? Otherwise, you have to try a smaller number. Okay, so then partition 1 is going to be equal to a list of this, right? Okay, so then now distance. I want to do it on inline just because does it have to be at least 2 points? Okay, I have to remember that. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. So then now, actually, we should pre-calculate this. Yeah, we should pre-calculate this. That doesn't make sense otherwise. Yeah. Okay. Just going on whatever. I think this will only go here anyway, the way that we're calling it. Maybe that's not true actually. And here maybe we want to actually just do index, right? Well, then we don't really need the points anymore. Then we can just do distances, right? So distances of ij is, well, in this case j is the smaller one, so I'm confusing myself. Maybe we should just store it in both cases instead of trying to be prematurely optimized. In any case, as you go to points, okay, here we want to do C. Absolutely right. Yeah. Okay, so then if this distance okay. AI, okay, what am I doing? Okay, whatever. Now we can write ij anyway. And this, okay, this is maximal. So we want to put in stuff where they are farther away. So if this is greater than target, then we can put it in. Then this is good. If this is smaller, then this is false, right? If it is good, then p dot append I, else o dot append j, I, not j. Why would I say j? Okay, so then p is good. So then now we have to test O, right? In O for this is maybe confusing. Unless p is equal to 1. Yep. False. This is 2. Okay. If O of OI, O of OJ. Okay, so if this distance is less than target, then we just return false. Otherwise we return true. Okay. Something like that, right? 4 and 2. 4 is good, 10 is not so good. Wait, maybe I'm handling zeros wrong, I think that's why. And also the length of this is 0, which is not great. Well, we have to okay, whatever. Why would they just they could just make this like whatever. Okay, fine. If n is equal to 2, then we return 0. Okay, fine. If I think I'm not understanding how this works necessarily. Okay, then it just doesn't, then it always meets the target if it only has size 1. I think that's the point, maybe. Okay. YOLO submit. Okay, fine, but let's actually try just some one-time things. Okay, one's pretty fast, even though I don't know. Okay, fine. YOLO submit. I'm actually surprised that this is wrong. I mean, I thought it would be wrong for other reasons, maybe, but not just straight out wrong. Why? Is it the greedy adding? Maybe it is the greedy adding. To be honest, I don't know. I mean, the idea makes sense, but maybe not the way that we add it. Maybe. I thought having one point would uniquely determine the rest, but maybe not. Maybe the ordering matters. And in that case, maybe we want to sort it so that we want the reason why sorting maybe works is that it gives a structure, but because then now you have the upper leftmost point as the point 0, which maybe makes it a little bit more interesting. YOLO submit. Wouldn't be surprised if it's still wrong. Yeah. Don't know. Honestly, then now. All right, let's take a pause. A lot of people got this one though, right? I mean, yeah, 1,000. So So maybe it's not binary search. Thought it would be binary search. I don't think it's coding. It's. I mean, the order matters. I guess that's the thing. I thought we can just choose an upper corner thing to fix it. This it's almost like maximum bipolar thingy, but maybe not. So many people got this one. I guess the ordering of it matters, but we could add some randomization, but I don't think that helps. And this is only 4 numbers, so it really doesn't help. What is the timing? It's so fast though. Yeah, because there's only 4 numbers. Alright, reset. Kind of crazy that it actually fasts a lot of cases. Okay, what happens if it's 1 dimension? If it's only 1 dimension, then we sort it and then it'll be every alternating one, really. Right? Which I guess by sorting we are creating every alternating one-ish. Manhattan distance. Okay, maybe I really don't know this what this means, but a lot of people got it. Technically speaking, I should not know that at this point of the thing. But they put it in your face for some reason. I didn't ask for it. Just getting worse and worse. But and binary search still makes sense, I think. But maybe not the way that I add it. What is a better way of adding it then? Okay, so this is a case where I don't think 1 dimension because of Manhattan distance. Well, maybe not just Manhattan distance. Maybe just 1D to 2D doesn't really make sense. Hmm. Because the idea here is that, I don't know, I guess whatever this sorting, which part is this one? Hmm. So 0, 2. And this one and the other one. Right. What is the 200K then? Really not that many permutations though, right? Is this changing? This gives the right answer for here, but then the answer would be 0, 3. So you have these two. So the right answer would be these two versus, if I sort it, it comes out to be looking at the wrong one. So these two, huh? I see, because this one is always too close, so it's either this one matching this one or this one matching this. Okay. It feels DPE, but I don't know that I can. And cube is too expensive. So I was wondering if you can do a reference point of 2 points, but then that's n cubed, right? Is there a greedy that I'm missing? 1,000 people got this one. Okay, maybe instead of the smallest point, we take the middlest point. Would that even make sense? No, I mean, it's still the same thing because of the way that we incrementally add instead of adding a bunch at the same time. Because then now you add something in the middle. Huh. Huh. I mean, this one is fine, assuming that the first partition is right. So let's figure out how to. Is there another way to partition? Or if we go to partition, that makes sense. Ugh. Do they tell you how long this runs? No, it doesn't. Just one answer. Is this one of those cases where? 5 random array or random shuffle. Would this work? I don't know. I mean, that just gives you the wrong answer sometimes, right? So, I mean, it gives me the right answer for both these cases, but I don't know that like a random. Yeah, see, get unlucky sometimes. Can I do something like this? Are we maxing, right? Or maybe without the print statements, but where my print statements at? I'm gonna YOLO, just because, why not? It should still be wrong, but maybe we get lucky. It's either that or just like a really hard random case, or maybe it times out. Okay, well, this actually ends really. Yeah, I didn't think this would work for should still have sort as one of them though, so I guess maybe that's. This would fix it for that case, but I don't know. Now I'm just like YOLO. I don't have any ideas though. I mean, basically giving away this contest, but lucky I didn't do this live, I suppose. Maybe I'm just not good at it these days. Okay, now we get time limit exceeded, which is kind of what we expected, but I thought it would be fast enough if 500 times 500 times. Okay, fine. I mean, if I really cared about it at this point, I probably should have YOLO tested it, but I don't know. Not to say that I don't care. It's just that like I think I'm a little bit tilted and frustrated with this one. Yeah, 1 second. I don't know. It doesn't seem that bad. 1 second for 5 cases, but I guess they have a lot of inputs like that. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to try to tune this constant, though. I think this is actually a good approach in real life, but we maybe just need a better answer. Huh. Okay. Try something else. Now, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I have a hypothesis that this only matters when the number of points is small, but you can always just reduce it to a small number of points by having small number of points and then just having another bunch here, or just having 1 point, right? Maybe not, I don't know. Okay, last YOLO thing. Okay, that was a thing, not that one. Is 0? Oh, I guess we should terminate that one actually. Oh, that's not true, is it? Because you could put one of the points on the other one. In this case, it's true if you have 3 of the same kind, but I don't know if it's worth an optimization for it. YOLO submit. It's gonna be wrong answer, I think. But I have no ideas. Actually, I didn't. I was thinking that for big numbers it doesn't matter, but maybe that's wrong. I mean, well, clearly it's wrong, but 736 out of 741, so not too bad. But 178. But 178 points should be enough for random, so I feel like it just means I don't know. No, I'm just trying to YOLO stuff. Okay. Is there a better solution? There has to be, right? No way they're gonna. Well, even Leetcode, as much as I think poorly of them, I don't think they do stuff like this. Down to 2. But there's only 21 points actually, so this one is actually a wonko. Okay, now stop trying this. Alright, let's actually try to solve the problem instead of hacking the problem. Okay. Get some soda. Okay, so this how else would you binary search? Can't DP because you really need to know all the other states, don't you? Am I misunderstanding this? Or no, I think that should be right. My understanding, I mean. Okay. I'm stuck. I think in my head I'm too stuck in the binary search, and I don't really know how to do it any other way. Maybe I didn't just draw more. Okay. I mean, n cube is still too slow, right? Because I think. Is it? Mm, 125 million? No, that's too slow. Wait. This is too slow, right? So let me see. Maybe I am a hack. I'm gonna YOLO try something real quick. Oh, I know that there's a. That's right. I think these are right. Are they fast enough though? Maybe, maybe not. That's YOLO submit. Though maybe that was too big. I didn't readjust my bounds. Okay. Yeah. 50 may be too big. What is this? Can you just sort? I don't compare. Oh no, because maybe that's fair. I was hoping Java would be a little bit faster. I think like the idea is still right, but it is a little bit slow. Unfortunately. Am I doing the binary search right? It means that the closest has to be farther away, right? Okay. No, this is right. It's just not right. much time do I have left? 44 minutes. Oh well. Ooh. Maybe I can just hack my way into tuning it. I don't think that this is quite the best way though. But it. I converted it from int to long, or long to int rather. Let's see if that works a little bit better. At least it times out quickly, so I don't have to worry about. Oh, I forgot some changes I made, which was here. Oh, still 7 foot. Oh no, this is the wrong answer. So maybe we do need more. Can't get away with it. What's with this case that makes it so hard? Oh, did I? Oh yeah, whoops. Apparently I suck at math. Ah, I cannot get it to work. Okay, it is what it is then. Is there a smarter way other than shuffling? Okay, so we have a graph, right? This is the only thing that we can change, really. How would I write that? So this. Okay, so then maybe you would have just like some bipart, I think. Maybe. Right. So then now, I guess I'm thinking about the opposite, but what we want is actually, if it's connected, you want it to be on the other side. because you don't want any connections on the same side. Okay. Okay, right. Else it is equal to. That's it, right? Maybe. Oh, definitely wrong. Oh no, this is because this is just silly. What am I meant to write? If this is an edge, meaning if distances of I of current to I is less than equal to less than total. No, because it's this is right. Actually, I don't remember the right answers anymore. So many wrong answers. Okay, well that one's just silly, so fine. That one I didn't even have because I ran out of cases. I think this is that case, so it's really wrong still. Am I doing it wrong? I mean, this is just wrong, right? Yeah, I'm consistently getting bigger numbers, which doesn't make sense. So, oh, that's why. No. I see, because we don't verify afterwards. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, I see. Okay, now this is too small. Does the order still matter in this? You're just trying to get the entire graph, right? Yeah, I think this is the entire graph and square. Why? Even this is one. Let's set up half an hour though. Am I doing it wrong? Maybe it's equal to? I don't know. No, I didn't think it would be. Something is off by 1 anyway. Okay. If this is the same, then they should have different color, right? Why is this wrong? What is this case? This one is right actually. I want a simpler case to debug, but I think, and this one I think it's fine. So actually that's pretty good. Alright, let me copy this into things so I don't lose it. Oh no, these are not the right answers. But okay, so we expect them to. Right, I think is 100,000. Okay. Well, let's see. Oh. Oh yeah, duh. Okay. I am dumb. And then the none matches. I guess once we point it out, it's pretty dumb. But okay, fine. Right. How do I write this? I don't remember anymore. I mean, I guess I could. That means that this part is a little bit wonky. Oh no, this part cannot be at the very end. Okay. Is that the right answer? I actually don't remember. don't know that this is 0 though. Oh no, I think that's a 0 timeout case. Yeah, that's the 0 timeout case. Is this right? I don't even know. Is this fast enough? It must be, right? Because we don't have to re-loop. This is not even okay. I'm just gonna submit. I don't know anymore. Lost track. Okay. Sloppy. 12 wrong answers. That is embarrassing. I guess I'm not very big on the bipartite today. I mean, well, a lot of it was just me trying different things, but still. Yeah, let's do a quick retro. I don't know, I mean 1, 2, and 3 is fine, right? 1 is fine, 2 is fine, I don't remember what 2 is. Oh yeah, 2 is fine, just streaks. 3 is also fine, but I took a long time down because I had off by 1s, which is not great. Pretty fast actually though still. Like if I had gone Q4 faster. Why did I get Q4? Weaker on the graph theory today. But yeah, I guess I guess greedy didn't really work. I thought greedy would work, honestly. I thought things would be uniquely determined, but I was wrong. I should have seen the bipartite though. Or I should have seen the reverse. I think I got fooled a little bit into because in my the thing with this problem is that in my mind I drew the edges differently. I drew the edges for members of the same group, and not the opposite, in which then we have to bipartite. Binary search was right though. I mean, that intuition I think was pretty good, but I was definitely a little bit weak on this part as a result. Alright. No bueno, but you know, it is what it is. That's what I have with this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.